Hey guys, today I want to show you my latest addition to my garden. It is the Migniola Tangelo, and I got this because it already has flowers. As you can see, it has beautiful white flowers, and whenever I purchase a tree, I always like to see flowers because it means it's gonna bear fruit. And as you can see, it's a beautiful looking tree. It is quite small still, not very large, and it's potted. And let me show you the price. It was $30, which is a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it for a Tangelo tree. And Tangelos are really nice. They're a cross between mandarin and grapefruit, but they taste really good. And over here in the tags, they even have a Migniola Tangelo turkey rice recipe. As you can see, you want to try it out, there it is. But there you go. And since this little tree doesn't have fruit, I bought this right here. It's a Migniola Tangelo bag. They sell these for $4. You get a nice little bag. Not many of them, but they're still pretty good. And let me show you what Tangelos look like. They're like this. Hopefully I'll get some even this year on this little tree, but look at this. They're nice size too. They taste really nice. They taste a little bit of hit of mandarin, and it almost seems like an orange a little bit, but it's a mandarin grapefruit cross. They peel really nice too. And let me show you what they look like on the inside. You want to peel this. See, they come out really easy. Very nice. So on the inside, it almost looks like an orange. Oh, they smell really good too. It's almost like a small orange, but they have this a hint of mandarin flavor. But there you go, look at that. Very juicy and very good, guys. Oh yeah, they taste really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and go plant one of these. They're really good.